Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing my new robotic pool cleaner. It's the Dolphin E-10. I ordered it from Home Depot and it came pretty quickly. This is the box that it actually came in. Here you can see everything assembled inside the box, and I'll just pull everything out one by one. This is the handbook, I'm assuming. Yeah, it comes with all of the instructions in here. It's kind of heavy. Alright, this is what it looks like unboxed. This is the cord. When you open it up, this is the cartridge, the filter basket. And you don't have to tuck this handle. If you just push the top down, it'll click into place. This is the power box. So I'm gonna hook it up. Okay, so basically you have to line these holes up. If you don't, it'll be a tough time to get it together. Let's see. Line those up. Stick it in, you'll hear it click, and then you tighten this. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. Now we're gonna plug it up. And I sat my power box up here. Let's go get the vacuum. Here's a view of my pool water. It's pretty dirty. I didn't cover it during the winter. I even have stuff all around here. So we're gonna see how this Dolphin E-10 does as far as cleaning the pool. Now that I have the robot in the pool, I'm gonna turn it on. Y'all don't mind this ring around my water line. I think that's a copper stain, so I need to get some copper remover. I've been using some algicide that had copper in it, and it stained my liner. So after getting the pool clean, my next step is to get something to clean this water line stain. gotten kind of dark. I'm about to go inside, but it did a pretty good job. It's still working, and it has some areas over there that it needs to get, but it did a good job. I'll come back out here maybe tomorrow and get a better view. Good morning, everybody. I'm back. The robot cleaner did a pretty good job getting up all the big stuff out of the pool. There's still some fine deposits at the bottom. I think I'm going to have to invest in the ultra fine filter. So, I mean, it did a good job for the big stuff. I'm pleased, but I don't think the filter caught everything that I needed it to catch. So, I'm gonna have to get the ultra fine filter and then see how it does with cleaning the pool. Hopefully it doesn't take a long time for it to come. I'm gonna get online and order it soon. All right, guys, I'm back. It is a few days later. It's warmed up a little bit outside. I periodically have had my Dolphin run over the past couple of days. On and off, I would come out here and press the button and let it run, and it did an okay job, but there was still like fine debris at the bottom of the pool. So I went back to my old trusty vacuum that you hook up to the pump, and I put a skimmer sock inside to try to catch that stuff. And look at all of the debris that was at the bottom of the pool that the Dolphin did not catch. And mind you, I've let the Dolphin run at least 3 or 4 days for an hour or two a day. So yeah, that's pretty nasty, and it got all the stuff that I was looking for. So all in all, I believe my regular vacuum did a better job than the Dolphin, and I think that's only because I don't have the fine filter. So I think it is worth the investment. I think I'm going to go ahead and purchase the ultrafine filter because it just didn't get what I needed to get at the bottom of the pool. I may come back and do another review once I get the ultrafine filter, but at this point, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.